Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I'm going to show you how to switch your Instagram business profile to personal profile. So yesterday night I mistakenly changed my Insta personal account to business account, but I searched many videos in YouTube about my issue. But today my friend discovered this new trick by without using any external applications. So if you like to know this new trick, just follow me friends. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Instagram application in your Android mobile or iOS device, and then complete your login or sign up processes. So now in this homepage section, you can press that person icon and it is placed at the bottom. Now it shows my Insta business account, but in this section, you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at the almost top of right side corner. And then one pop-up window is opening. So here you can go to settings and it is located at the bottom. So again it shows lots of settings, but you can go to account settings. So finally I get to the personal account settings and it is named as switch back to personal account. So simply press that option, but it asks for confirmation, so you can select switch back and it starts to processing. And once again I try to access my Insta profile. We go back to Insta. So finally here you can see my personal account is now ready to use, and this trick works very smoothly. So this is the way you can easily switch your Insta business profile to personal profile by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.